This is another wonderful day, and you're welcome to FOS Forum TV. And today's video is going to be different from the normal one we used to do. And this is going to be a series of tutorials for showing how to use a calculator. This is my new calculator board, and it's a Casio FX991ES Plus. Most of the times our brothers who are in school should know how to handle those, but sometimes they find it difficult using it. So this is going to be a series of tutorials from FOS IT. You'll get to know more about FOS IT. So we are beginning today. I just bought it yesterday. It's a new one. I don't need it, but I need it for the tutorials, for those that need such tutorials. Now the beginning of the tutorials is going to be, now if you want to buy a calculator, how do you know it's original? Sometimes you see everything. We are in China and it's not only China, it's everywhere. So when you get to a calculator shop, you should know what kind of calculator you're buying. Is it fake? Is it original? And so today the first tutorials is to show how to know that you are buying the original calculator. But those are in schools that are using calculator. Those are studying commerce, elective maths. I just want to help you with this tutorials from FOS IT. And it's going to be a lot of series of tutorials on teaching people how to use calculator very well and support their study. It's very, very important. And so today's tutorial is to show you how to use the calculator, checking the originality when you are going to buy at the shop. You should know which kind of calculator you are buying. And so let's get to the session where we all test the calculator together. We want to test together, okay? Buy this calculator now. We are doing it together. So the first thing you have to do is to go to on, and you on it. And so when you turn it on, you need the 4 keys to access the areas of verifying this calculator. Now you need to go to shift. This is a shift key, and we have a replay key, which is the upper replay key, and on, and also 7 key. So we need to press these 4 keys together. And so we go to shift, upper replay key, on, and the 7. Okay, so when you put your hands on this and you press together, you access this. When you access this, you go to 9. When you press 9, then the next step is to go to shift again, and you need to press shift 5 times. So now let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on the 5th time, you access this, and let's go to the screen very well. And accessing this will give you a lot of information, and it tells you that now you can go on and verify your calculator. Okay, fine. So now the next step to do is to go to AC. So press AC. You can see press AC on it. Now when you press AC, it gives you the contrast of this calculator. Now you can see here as light, and here is dark. Now we use the replay key to control the brightness of the calculator. Now you can see it's 11H. Now when you go to the right replay key, which is the dark side, you can keep on moving on ahead, and that reduces the brightness of it because you are introducing more darkness to the screen. Now when you go to the left side, you are bringing more light, and you can go to the point that the screen becomes so light that you can see it very well. So let's return it to the original setting, which is 11H. Very good. And after this, you have to go to AC again. When you go to AC, this gives you the access to verify all the keys. And so now we are going to verify all the keys and see if the keys are functioning very well. And so now we can access 1 with the shift, give us 1. Then the alpha key give us 2. Now we can see that the replay key is a 4 setting. We have the upper, lower, left, right. Now the left give us 3, the upper give us 3, and the right give us 4. Very good. Now we can access the 5 with the mode setup. Then we come to calculator. We go one after the other. So this one also give us this. So we can access 8 here, 9 here. We go on and on. Every key, we are verifying every key and see if the keys are functioning very well. And so now you keep on pressing the key, every key on it. It goes on and goes on. So now we keep on pressing and keep on verifying the keys to the last key, and it's very important. So now you get to the last one and say the test is okay. Now we have tested the originality of this calculator. They say the test is okay. You are having original calculator to use. So this is how we test the calculator.